To open a command prompt in Windows 11, right-click on your Start button, click on Run, type in CMD, and either click OK for a standard command prompt, or click Control-Shift-Enter on your keyboard for an administrative command prompt. If we click OK here, our command prompt comes up. Now, an alternate way is to right-click on the Start button and choose Windows Terminal for a standard PowerShell, or Windows Terminal Admin for an administrative PowerShell. Let's click on that one and click Yes to do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device. And we'll be in the Windows PowerShell, which is kind of an upgrade, a more modernized version of the command prompt. You can do your commands from here, or if you'd rather use the older style command prompt, type CMD here and hit return, and you'll be at the old style command prompt.